keeping poultry isn't just a case of grabbing a few hens, throwing them into a pen and giving them food and water and cleaning them out every now and then. It's a lot more involved than that. Now, to keep your poultry to its maximum health, we need to look at some extra tasks that we need to do. And 2 of those jobs are what we're going to cover in today's episode. Now, if you keep cockerels with your hens, yeah, you really need to be watching this. And that's coming right up after this. Come on. Hi guys. From all right. From time to time, when you've got poultry, you apart from the usual issues you need to worry about, like red mite and things like that, there are a couple of other things, and I'm going to show you these now. The first thing is, I don't know if you can see this little guy's beak, but it's growing right underneath his other beak in a big sort of loop. Okay, and it's hooked, and it's getting like it's actually stopping him from feeding. So what we need to do for this guy is we need to feed him. We need to clip his beak. Okay, so we just need to relax him, grab his head so he can't move, and then all we do, okay, is we take a normal toe cutters or nail cutters, and we literally just put it in the beak, shut his beak, and clip him off. And it's as simple as that. And now that beak is nice, it's not overhung, and he's now able to feed properly. He'd stopped eating so much, so but now that's sorted for him. I'll put him down and he can get some food. There's another thing that cockerels or roosters suffer from, and that is what you can see here. Okay, and this is a big huge spur. Now they can get quite nasty with these, and a prime example, this cockerel, the one before we cut his beak, he's blind in one eye, and that's because this guy decided to take his eye out with it. So they can get quite nasty. They can also attack their owners and things like that. He's not that bad, okay, but we do need to address it because it can also affect him from walking. Now, looks a bit brutal, okay, you have to use a pliers for this. Now in here, this spur is a little bit like a sheath. There's a center cone inside, okay, which is like the quick. Now all we have to do is grab this with the pliers, twist, and it will pop and it will come off, revealing a smaller spur underneath. When I do it, guys, okay, it is going to bleed, but the roosters or the cockerels don't feel anything, okay, because there's no nerve endings in this, but there are blood vessels, so it will bleed a little bit, okay. So the first thing we need to do is get hold of him. I'm going to put his head behind me. He's actually trying to catch me with his other one at the moment, and you need to hold the leg tight, and it's literally just a case of grabbing it and twisting. You need to support the leg. There we are, guys, that's it removed, okay. And as you can see, there's a tiny little bit of blood there, okay, but look at the difference in size. He's going to be able to walk much better. Now what we do then, okay, we just give it a quick clean off, and I also spray it with a little bit of antibacterial powder just because he's going down on the ground, and I'll stop any bleeding. So we need to do the other leg now. So we're just going to turn him around. Alright. And exactly the same thing, support him. So you need to support the leg, and then just twist. There we go. And there it is again. Sometimes they're a little harder. And again, all we're going to do with him is just give him a little clean off with some tissue. And put some antibacterial powder on him. and then he can run around. Whoops, where's his legs? So like I said, they will bleed for a little while. There we go. And he can run around now. He's no worse off. It hasn't caused him any major problems. He can walk around, and he's going to be much happier. He's going to be able to spread his legs and walk properly. It's not going to cause him any issues. And these things, if I can find the other one, wherever it went on the floor, I think the birds may have had it. But these things, you know, they're not going to bother him anymore. Okay, so that's 2 jobs, okay, that the roosters or cockerels need sorting with, okay, other than the other illnesses and diseases and things like that you can get. Well guys, now you know what it takes to look after your cockerels. Just making sure those beaks are clipped and that you remove those spurs, because removing those spurs are better for your hens and your other poultry that you may have, your ducks, geese, whatever the case being, and it's also better for you as an owner. So make sure that you look after your poultry, and they will provide you with plenty of eggs and everything else that you can harvest to maintain your family at home. Anyway guys, if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share this video with everybody, and we'll be seeing you in the next episode. Bye bye.